So running Ben Vorlich today, just over 3,000 feet, one of the Munros in Scotland, with my running companion Blue, and we'll be carrying the standard kit for the mountains today. So I've got my running pack there. I'm carrying about 16 pounds, all the essentials that I need. So I've got my first aid kit in there, survival bag, foil blanket, food, enough water for the two of us, and yeah, we'll see how we got on. So if you've never been up to Loch Earnhead before, it's a beautiful loch spot. We're on the south side of the loch, and this is the starting point for going up Ben Vorlich. There is two Ben Vorlichs in Scotland, both classed as Munros. The only two with the same name, and this is the one up in the Perth region as opposed to the one over by Loch Lomond. So we'll be heading up Ben Vorlich today. That's it in the background, over 3,000 feet, so it should be a good little run out today. Fantastic little spot here for camping as well, fishing, paddleboarding, you name it. So yeah, let's get after it. There she is. You can see her just round the corner, all the way up. Beautiful. No, not even a key in. Yeah. The heart rate's up. You see how beautiful this countryside is. Why wouldn't you want to live in Scotland? Absolutely stunning. Up onto the plateau now, just before we hit the base of the mountain. It's a climb all the way to the top. Cracking day, it's turned out it was drizzly when I started, but it's beautiful, and the top is clear, so all going well. And a nice clear top, get the drone up, happy days. So from the last time I tested myself in this mountain, over a year ago, I was really struggling at the start to maintain any kind of pace. My legs were getting burnt out, so I already touched on the math training principle, or zone 2, that I've been doing over the last sort of 6 months, and stepping it up over the last 3 months. What's really helped also is all the bike work I've been doing, and really focusing on building the endurance of the thighs and conditioning, and really maxing out the fibres potential. And today my thighs are just want to bounce up here. The feeling's great. A year ago I was ready for a crime dinner, so yeah, training's definitely paying off from that perspective. A lot of bike work, a lot of 30k's, 50k's indoors, high level, just grinding out the muscle endurance, and it's starting to pay off. So just before I hit the steep inclines, you can see the mountain in the background there. It starts to get really steep and gnarly. I'm just going to smash one of my energy gels, my protein. Do a fantastic range of energy gels, protein gels. Ideal for hill running, endurance running, anything to do with sport. getting to the summit climb now, and we're 34 minutes in at 3.5 kilometres straight up. It's been a gentle jog so far. This is where it gets gnarly. Got some nice drone footage there, so hope you enjoyed that. Testing out the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone mates active track, paralleling me there, so it was good. Anyway, enough of me talking. Coming into the last piece of the climb now. We're in 45 minutes. Not doing too bad. What a stunning view. Yeah, let's go. Steps, steps, steps. Oh, yeah. There's the summit. No little false one there, but here she is. Nearly there. Let's go. The summit. Couldn't get that any closer to the wire if I tried. 59.45. Who says you can't go up? Oops, I'm a row inside the other. But look at that. It's worth it. Stunning. That was us 1 hour, almost bang on to the top of Ben Vorlich. Cracking little run up, gets steep obviously as you get to the top, nice little slope. Fed and watered, return journey, back down to the loch now and get the dogs some water. So that's us, we're going to head down on the return journey now, and yeah, if you're ever up Ben Vorlich and you're out for the day, it's maybe worthwhile popping across. You can get 2 Munros in the bag and the one walk across to Structal Crone, which is that little number over there. Coming down, always so painful. Run up hills all day long, but coming down, I sacrificed my running poles today because I wanted to get some decent shots. I was fiddling about with the drone, fiddling about with the camera. So, as you say, risk and sacrifice. Anyway, still good for the legs. Get them working, get those hamstrings pumped coming down. coming down off the hill now. We're at 1 hour 21, nearly 7 k's in. It's almost a 10k completely, 5 k's up, 5 k's down, so doing alright. Next little run out this morning, that's been a good test on the body. All the hard work and training I've been putting in. Happy with progress. So back down to the car, down to the loch. And yeah, we'll get in it. Very good that the farmer up here's very kindly made a little dog flap. Gate for your dog. Good boy. Coming to an end now. It's down off the hill. I'm just going to run it in because it's literally going to finish it on 10 k's. So we'll just finish it on 10. Yeah, been a great little run up Ben Vorlich. And there we have it.